Hello friends, a very warm welcome to your YouTube channel. Hope you are all fine. We had already completed Unit 1 of Population and Gender Education, and today we are going to begin its second unit, that is the Population Education in Schools. And topic जो कि आज हम डिस्कस करने जा रहे हैं, that is the scope of Population Education in School. शुरू करने से पहले मैं आपको बता दूं, अगर आप चैनल पर नए हैं तो मेक श्योर आप चैनल को ज़रूर सब्सक्राइब करें और इस वीडियो को अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ आल्सो ज़रूर शेयर कीजिए. शायद शुरू करता है विद ब्रीफ इंट्रोडक्शन. जो स्कोप है पॉपुलेशन एजुकेशन का, इट इंक्लूड सर्टन एरियाज एंड टॉपिक्स जो कि इंक्लूड किए जाते हैं इन पॉपुलेशन एजुकेशन. एंड थ्रू दीज एरियाज, थ्रू दीज टॉपिक्स, डिफरेंट पॉपुलेशन रिलेटेड इश्यूज जो है वो सिखाए जाते हैं इन स्कूल्स. सो जो स्कोप है पॉपुलेशन एजुकेशन का, दैट इज़ वेरी ब्रॉड एंड मल्टी डिसिप्लिनरी, जो कि हमें खाली लिमिटेड नहीं देखने को मिलता है ओनली टू वन सब्जेक्ट, बट इट इंक्लूड नॉलेज फ्रॉम डिफरेंट सब्जेक्ट्स और डिसिप्लिन्स लाइक फ्रॉम सोशल स्टडीज़, साइंस, जियोग्राफी एज वेल एज हेल्थ एजुकेशन. सो ये जो स्कोप है पॉपुलेशन एजुकेशन का, इट गिव्स ए कंप्लीट एंड इंटरकनेक्टेड अंडरस्टैंडिंग विच इज़ नॉट एन आइसोलेटेड सब्जेक्ट, जिसको सिखाया नहीं जाता है एज ए सेपरेट सब्जेक्ट, बट इसको ऑल्सो इंटीग्रेट, इसको ऑल्सो यूज़ किया जाता है इनटू द एग्जिस्टिंग सब्जेक्ट्स. दैट मेक्स लर्निंग मोर नेचुरल एंड प्रैक्टिकल. लाइक इन ज्योग्राफी जो स्टूडेंट्स हैं दे लर्न अबाउट पॉपुलेशन डेंसिटी. इन साइंस जो स्टूडेंट्स हैं दे लर्न अबाउट ह्यूमन रिप्रोडक्शन. As well as in civics जो students हैं they learn about population policies. So this provides a complete holistic understanding or overall understanding, जहाँ students जो है they learn how कैसे जो population है how it affects their personal life including their family health, as well as how it affects the society and the future generations. सो जो पॉपुलेशन स्कोप है पॉपुलेशन एजुकेशन का, इट कनेक्ट इंडिविजुअल लाइफ विद नेशनल डेवलपमेंट अलॉन्ग विद द ग्लोबल इश्यूज. ठीक है. और ये जो स्कोप है पॉपुलेशन एजुकेशन का, इसके हमें 5 मेजर डायमेंशंस देखने को मिलता है विच इज़ डिवाइडेड इनटू दीज 5 की एरियाज फॉर ईजियर अंडरस्टैंडिंग. फर्स्ट जो डायमेंशन है दैट इज़ द पॉपुलेशन डायनेमिक्स और द स्टैटिस्टिकल बेस. यह हमें बेसिक एंड फैक्चुअल पार्ट देखने को मिलता है पॉपुलेशन एजुकेशन का, विच मेनली डील्स विद द नंबर्स, डेटा एंड मेजरेबल फैक्ट्स. एंड ये जो डायमेंशन है, दिस डायमेंशन हेल्प स्टूडेंट्स टू अंडरस्टैंड हाउ पॉपुलेशन एक्चुअली चेंजेस. सो इसमें मेनली फोकस होता है ऑन मैकेनिक्स ऑफ हाउ पॉपुलेशन चेंज, और वी कैन से इट फोकसेस ऑन प्रोसेसेस बिहाइंड द पॉपुलेशन चेंज, जिसमें स्टूडेंट्स जो है दे लर्न अबाउट हाउ पॉपुलेशन इंक्रीजेज और डिक्रीज एंड व्हाट आर द फैक्टर्स दैट आर रेस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर दैट. ठीक है. और ये जो डायमेंशन है, दिस डायमेंशन इंक्लूड बेसिक कंसेप्ट्स. Under this dimension जो students हैं they learn fundamental concepts or terms like birth rate, that is the number of births, death rate, that is the number of deaths, and migration, that is the movement of people. These are some core components of the population change about which जो students हैं they learn. It also include growth trends, जिसमें students जो है they learn how population changes over time at local level, that is village, city, at national level, that is all over country, as well as at global level, that is all over world. So ये जो growth trends है, these trends also help students to understand whether जो population है that is increasing or that is stabilizing, and they also discover patterns of population explosion. Then it also include population structure. As you may know, जो population structure है, it is about the composition of the population, which include age structure like children, adults, elderly, as well as sex ratio, that is male versus female. एंड जो पॉपुलेशन स्ट्रक्चर है इसको बेटर समझा जा सकता है थ्रू एज पिरामिड विच इज़ ए ग्राफिकल रिप्रेजेंटेशन ऑफ एज डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन, जो कि हेल्प करता है स्टूडेंट्स को इन अंडरस्टैंडिंग दी पॉपुलेशन कंपोजिशन बिटवीन द डेवलप्ड कंट्रीज एंड डेवलपिंग कंट्रीज। देन इट ऑल्सो इंक्लूड सेंसस एजुकेशन। सेंसस जो है इट इज़ बेसिकली एन ऑफिशियल काउंटिंग ऑफ द पॉपुलेशन एंड इसको कंडक्ट करता है गवर्नमेंट at every 10 years in India. And through census education जो students हैं they learn how data is collected, why it is important, which helps in planning schools, hospitals and jobs. ठीक है। सेकेंड जो डायमेंशन है पॉपुलेशन एजुकेशन का दैट इज द डिटरमिनेंट्स ऑफ पॉपुलेशन ग्रोथ। जो डायमेंशन है इसमें एक्सप्लोर किया जाता है वाई बिहाइंड द नंबर्स। मीन्स ये जो सेक्शन है दिस सेक्शन एक्सप्लेन्स रीजन बिहाइंड द पॉपुलेशन ग्रोथ विच इज़ नॉट जस्ट डेटा बट ऑल्सो द कॉजेज ऑफ चेंज। एंड ये जो डिटरमिनेंट्स हैं पॉपुलेशन ग्रोथ के दीज इंक्लूड ह्यूमन रिप्रोडक्शन। इस डिटरमिनेंट में इस डायमेंशन में जो स्टूडेंट्स हैं they gain basic knowledge of human growth, human reproductive system. So ये जो human reproduction है ये सिखाई जाती है students को in an age appropriate manner and this helps students in understanding how life begins, importance of reproductive health. Then it also include socio-cultural factors. Socio-cultural factors जो है these factors also influence the population. Like if we talk about early marriage जो है it leads to the more children. या traditional beliefs की अगर हम बात करें traditional beliefs जो है these are the main reasons for larger families. या preference for male child this may cause repeated childbirth. So these are some socio-cultural factors जो कि also increase करते हैं पॉपुलेशन साइज को। देन हेल्थ एंड न्यूट्रिशन जो रिलेशनशिप बिटवीन है फैमिली साइज एंड हेल्थ दिस इज़ ऑल्सो इम्पोर्टेंट एंड थ्रू पॉपुलेशन एजुकेशन जो स्टूडेंट्स हैं दे ऑल्सो डेवलप बेसिक अंडरस्टैंडिंग अबाउट हेल्थ एंड न्यूट्रिशन अबाउट फैमिली साइज एंड हेल्थ लाइक दे लर्न अबाउट हाउ लार्जर फैमिलीज लीड्स टू लिमिटेड रिसोर्सेज which may cause malnutrition in children or poor health of mothers. So ये जो population education है it teach children about the importance of balanced diet या family planning. ठीक है। Now third जो dimension है that is the consequences of population growth. जो consequences है जो ये dimension है ये हमें बहुत ही important देखने को मिलता है because ये जो dimension है it shows the real life effects of the population growth जो कि कनेक्ट करता है पीपल को with the quality of life and some major consequences जो है population growth के that are economic impact. Rapid population growth जो है this creates economic problems like poverty जो है that increases, unemployment जो है that rises या per capita income जो है that also decreases. That means if people are more जो fewer resources हैं होगी per person that will be less available. Then next जो consequence है that is the social impact. जो population है this also creates a pressure on public services. Like जो population explosion है it causes schools जो है they became overcrowded या जो hospitals हैं they lack the facilities या housing shortage जो है that takes place या transport problem जो है that also occur. So जो population explosion है this leads to the poor living conditions. And next जो consequence है that is the environmental impact. High population जो है this also harm the environment like through anthropogenic activities like deforestation that is the cutting of forest या pollution of air, water या land या global warming या depletion of natural resources. So जो population education है that also shows link between population and sustainability. Then next जो consequence है that is the urbanization. Urbanization, you know, it is the movement of people from rural to urban areas. And ये जो urbanization है this happen due to the different causes, like due to the job opportunities या better facilities, due to which जो people है they move from rural to urban areas. And this urbanization जो है it cause certain problems like slums, overcrowding या poor sanitation. ठीक है. Now fourth जो dimension है that is family life education. जो family life education है it focuses on the family which is the basic unit of the society. And through family life education जो students हैं they learn about the rules and responsibilities in family life. And ये जो family life education है it include small family norm. This education promotes the idea of small family, happy family, जिसमें students जो हैं they know the advantages of small family, like they'll know how small families leads to better education for children, good health, yeah, more attention to each child. Then gender equality through family life and education जो students हैं they also ensure they also learn the importance of equal rights for both men and women, and they also learn how both genders can participate in equal decision making, as well as how both genders are important in terms of equal opportunities. So this education also reduces the discrimination and improves the family well-being. Then next जो है that is the responsible parenthood. Parenthood जो है this is a serious responsibility, and parenthood जो है it require emotional maturity, financial stability. And through this education जो students हैं they learn planning they learn about how to plan family responsibility, and they also learn the importance of child care. ठीक है. Now fifth जो dimension है that is the population policies and programs. These are basically the steps regarding the awareness about the government efforts. And through these population policies and programs जो students हैं they learn how population is managed at national and global level. And ये जो population policies and programs हैं these include national policies. National policies जो है these are the government programs और policies जो कि implement की जाती है to control the population, like if you talk about family planning schemes या awareness campaigns. So this help governments to achieve the balanced population growth. Then next are international efforts. इसमें जो global organizations जो है they also play a very important role, like United Nations जो है which is a main global organization that play a major role in the population control, which promotes the idea of sustainable development या population control awareness. Then next जो है that is the human rights. Through this education जो through policies या through these programs जो students हैं they also learn the important principle of population control, like जो population control है it should not violate the individual rights. So this focuses on the reproductive rights as well as on the health and dignity. ठीक है. I hope ये सब आपको clear हुआ होगा. Now why this population education is important in schools. जो population education है this should not only make students able to read and write, or we can say in general जो education है that should not only make students able to read and write, but जो education है that should also make them aware about different issues which include also the population issues, as well as that also makes students responsible decision makers. So the through the population education, your students they can also plan their future family. They can make informed health choices. So your students they can make rational decisions, as well as they can also contribute towards their society through sustainable development, yeah, better quality of life, yeah, balanced population growth. ठीक है. तो एट कंक्लूजन वी हैड लर्न दैट कि जो स्कोप है पॉपुलेशन एजुकेशन का वो है पे बहुत ही कम्प्रहेंसिव मल्टी डायमेंशनल देखने को मिलता है, जो कि कवर करता है डिफरेंट सब्जेक्ट्स, डिफरेंट एरियाज और डिफरेंट टॉपिक्स ऑफ इंटरेस्ट लाइक स्टैटिस्टिकल नॉलेज, सोशल कॉजेज, कॉन्सिक्वेंसेस, फैमिली वैल्यूज एंड पॉलिसी अवेयरनेस, जो कि हेल्प करती है स्टूडेंट्स को टू डेवलप नॉलेज, स्किल्स एंड एटीट्यूड्स that are important to be responsible citizens who can also contribute towards the sustainable and their balanced society. So that is it for today. I hope आपको अच्छे से क्लियर हुआ होगा. अगर कोई भी डाउट कन्फ्यूजन हो तो आप कमेंट सेक्शन में ज़रूर लिखें. So that is it. I hope you find this video informative. Don't forget to share, like and subscribe to Discipline Talk channel. Thank you for watching.